This is basically 110th part. One person told us, Sunil, basically you are going to die basically from some disease, or basically assume by something basically happens and you Sunil Nair basically died in our plan. Just taking example. Otherwise, lots of people will say, "Are ये तो मरा नहीं है." So see the example basically how it's connecting. Assume basically my blood group is B blood group. My data basically are inside B blood group owner, and this is the reality fact basically. He basically is processing my data, and according to that basically I am getting the data. According to his process basically I am getting the data. So one of the person told that Sunil R. Nair basically is controlled by that person basically. Whatever basically inside his body happens, that only Sunil R. Nair basically is going to do. So one of the person told that means it's a superpower computer basically. B blood group owner basically is a one superpower computer basically. So one of the person told that each blood group owner basically is converted into superpower computer basically. In this world basically more than 100 superpower computers basically exist. That is directly connecting to the human body basically. So one of the person told that to handle that data basically of the B blood group owner basically, especially superpower computers basically are created. Just see basically up to what level the things are basically connecting. The person basically like Microsoft will say that basically we are not able to connect you basically what you want to say basically. So one of the person told that superpower computer basically is created on the base of this database. So superpower computer is basically created on the base of one person's body database. You can just imagine basically each laptops basically like Dell laptop, HP laptops, all are created on the base of human basically. This Dell laptop, this model basically is connected to this girl, that boy. So that all are powerful people basically. We like normal person basically, nobody basically create. For example, I am one normal person basically. So nobody is going to create my types of laptop basically. Why? Because it's a normal person. Poor people basically. We are poor people basically. But the rich people basically, who are like in Mumbai basically, people, rich people basically stay. Their laptops basically are created. Next video basically we are going to see that only.